Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Chrome. This is where Incognito lives. Tap the three-dot menu at the top right and go into Settings. This lets you control behavior for new tabs and profiles. Make sure you are not currently in an Incognito tab because some options only appear in standard mode. Once done, look for Privacy and Security or Site Settings. These sections explain how Chrome treats private sessions and show controls you'll change next to stop or block Incognito mode. Now you'll change the controls that allow Incognito tabs. In Settings, open Privacy and Security and then Site Settings. These let you alter cookie and permission behavior that impacts private sessions. If Chrome on your device offers a direct toggle for Incognito or new Incognito tabs, switch it off. If not, set up a managed profile or parental controls. These restrict the ability to open Incognito. Make sure to sign out of secondary accounts. Permissions can differ by profile, so double-check each one. Finish by restarting Chrome and trying to open a new tab to confirm Incognito is gone. If the option still appears, enforce restrictions through Family Link or a managed device profile. These tools prevent Incognito regardless of app settings. If problems persist, clear Chrome's cache and data, update the app from Play Store, or reinstall it to remove corrupted settings. One quick troubleshooting tip: make sure no other user profiles are active, because Incognito behavior can persist per profile, so check each profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.